Hello children, good morning. Welcome to our maths class. How are you? Hope that you are fine. Let us start our class now. Today we will learn addition and subtraction of fractions. Already we have learned how to compare the given fractions, either it may be like fractions or unlike fractions. We know how to write in order, in ascending and descending order. Now we are going to learn addition and subtraction of fractions. So basically you have two types of fractions here, like fractions and unlike fractions. Let us start by like fractions first. First of all, see how to add given two or more like fractions. If two fractions are given like this, 1 by 2 and then 4 by 2. Now we are going to do the addition process for these like fractions. As we compare the denominators, we know that these two are the like fractions because they are having same denominator. Now how to add these fractions? Let us see. 4 by 2. Now simply, as the denominators are same, we just add the numerators. 1 plus 4 by, write common denominator one time only. Here don't write 2 times in the denominator because we are going to share fraction, nothing but sharing some part. So we are going to take from these two groups, first one as a 1, second one as a 4. Then 1 plus 4 becomes 5 by 2. This is a addition. Now I will explain why we are not going to write 2 times of 2 in the denominator. So what are the two values given here? 1 by 2 and 4 by 2. 1 by 2 means if you take a circle or any other object, divide into 2 equal parts. So we are choosing the first part. It represents 1 by 2. Okay. Now if you take 4 by 2, here we are going to take 2 circles. Denominator 2 means 2 groups of objects. Okay, 2, and we are going to divide 2 equal parts. Okay, so finally how many parts are there from these 2 circles? Total 4 parts are there. If I want to choose 4 parts like this, here 2 parts and here also 2 parts, then totally 4 parts from the 2 circles. This is 4 by 2. This is a 4 by 2. That's why we are not taking 2 times of 2 in the denominator, because from the same part we are selecting. This is not a different part. So same in the sense these are the like fractions. That's why if our denominators are same, you have to add only one time of a denominator. Add means here simply take that same denominator. So 1 by 2 and 4 by 2 is 1 plus 4 by 2, that is 5 by 2. This is addition of like fractions. Take one more example. 3 by 8 and 1 by 8. These two also like fractions because the denominators are same. Now for the like fractions, what is the rule? You just add the numerators by keeping the same denominator once. So it means how to add 3 plus 1 by 8. Okay, 3 plus 1 is how much? 3 plus 1 is a 4 by 8. This is the answer. Now 4 by 8. 4 by 8 means here the dividend is otherwise. Here the numerator is 4 and the denominator is 8. If you observe carefully, 4 and 8 both are having the same factor, that is 4. That's why here and divide this. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So finally the answer is 4 by 2. You can write the answer as 4 by 8 or else 1 by 2, which means 4 by 8 and 1 by 2 both are having the equal value. These are known as equivalent fractions. If the sum is not in its lowest term, when 2 or more fractions are added, then reduce it into lowest term. Lowest term means what? There is no common factor for numerator and denominator. If you take 4 by 8, for 4 and 8 we have common factor 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. That's why we are going to take 1 by 2. Here for 1 by 2 there is no common factor. That's why this is called as simplest form or lowest form. Now take one more example. 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 9 by 2. Sorry, 7 by 2. Now the denominators are same. Try to add the numerators. 1 plus 3 plus 7 whole by 2 only. 2 one time only. Now 1 plus 3 is a 4. 4 plus 7 is a 11 by 2. 11 by 2. Now verify, is it in simplest form or not? 11 is a prime number and 2 is also a prime number. There is no common factor for 11 and 2. That's why 11 by 2 is known as simplest form. Then the finally answer is 11 by 2 only. Take one more example. 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. By seeing this, both the denominators are same. These are the like fractions. Now add the numerators directly. 3 plus 5 by 2. 3 plus 5 is 8 by 2. Now 8 by 2 is the answer, but if you observe, 8 and 2 both are having common factor as 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. So 8 by 2 is not said to be in lowest form or simplest form. That's why 8 by 2 we are going to write 4 by 1. 4 by 1 nothing but 4 only. So this is a simplest form. After finding the value, you have to check for the simplest form. If it is not there in simplest form, once reduce it into simplest form by dividing the common factor. Already we have done page number 75, practice exercise 4.1, first question, second question and third question, Nana. Now we will see how to solve fourth question and fifth question. These are also comes under the comparison of fractions. Now see fourth question. In a recipe, 3/4 cup of yogurt and 2/5 cup of butter are required. Which ingredient is used more in the recipe? Two ingredients are given. So by how much it is? 3/4 cup of yogurt and 2/5 cup of butter. You have to find out which is the greater, means we are going to do the comparison. But if you see 3/4 and 2/5 both are having different denominators. These are examples for unlike fractions. We know how to compare the unlike fractions. First of all, convert them into like fractions by using LCM method. Then compare the numerators. Let us start the process. So, what are the quantities given here? First one is 3/4. 3/4 cup of yogurt, and second one is 2/5 cup of butter. Okay, now these two are the unlike fractions. First convert them into like fractions. Take here the both denominators 4 and 5. Find out LCM for 4 and 5 by using prime factorization method. First prime number is a 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 is not divisible. Write it down as it is. And again 2. 2 1s are 2. 5 is not divisible. Write it down as it is. After 2, next prime number is a 3. Here there is no multiple of 3. That's why move to the next prime number 5. Take here 5. 1 is not divisible. Write it down as it is. And 5 1s are 5. Whenever you got all 1s, then stop the process and find out the LCM. How to get LCM here? By multiplying the prime numbers 2, 2 and 5. So multiply these three numbers. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. Okay. So the LCM is 20. Now after getting LCM, what we have to do? Take a LCM as 20. This is very important in the conversion for unlike fractions into like fractions. Now take a first fraction 3/4. Here check for the denominator. Denominator is 4. What is our rule? The denominator must and should be equal to the LCM. Here the LCM is 20, but the denominator is 4. How 4 becomes a 20? If you multiply by 5. 4 5s are 20. That's why we are going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 5. We need to check for the denominator only. No need to check for numerator. 3 5s are 15 and 4 5s are 20. Now verify here the denominator and LCM both are same. Okay, now take a second fraction 2/5. Now here the denominator is 5. How 5 becomes a 20? By using a multiplication here, not for addition, not for subtraction and not for division. So 5 4s are 20 as we know this before. Now I am going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 4. Then 2 4s are 8 and 5 4s are 20. Now here the denominator also becomes 20, which is equal to LCM. So the given two fractions 3/4 becomes as 15/20 and 2/5 becomes as 8/20. 15/20 and 8/20. Look at these both the fractions. 15/20 we get instead of 3/4, and 8 by 20 we get instead of 2 by 5. Okay, now these two are the like fractions. Actually given fractions 3 by 4 and 2 by 5 are the unlike fractions. We are making them into like fractions by using the LCM method. Now we get 15 by 20 and 8 by 20. These both are the like fractions. By comparing both the denominators, we are having same denominator. So which one is greater and which one is smaller? To identify the greater one and smaller one, we have to compulsory compare the numerators here, because denominators already they are same. Now compare the numerators 15 and 8. Which is the greater? 15 is greater than 8, which means 15 by 20 is also greater than 8 by 20. So 15 by 20 means what is the given fraction, actual fraction? 3 by 4, which means 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 5. So we got answer. What is the question asked? Which ingredient is used more in the recipe? So first one is yogurt is used more in the given recipe. So that is 3 by 4th cup of yogurt. This is the way to solve the question. Now try to solve 5th question in the same way.